Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to do the question and answers video like I said. I actually didn't think I was going to have enough time, but I do have 15 minutes, so let's try to get this done, and I have to leave really soon, so that's what I'm talking about. But I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for all the questions and all the support as always. All the new subscribers every day, I appreciate it. You guys mean a lot to me, and I hope you guys enjoy the content that I make, mostly electrical stuff, but other videos as well if you check the channel. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started here. So I basically gave out this concept on Monday, so there's like I think 4 videos worth of comments. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I'm just gonna go through the comments on each video and see what you guys have to say and answer those questions for you. So Gage Mayer says, question and answer idea. Saw in your last video comments that you thought about quitting a bunch. Do you see yourself leaving electrical in the future? What other careers are you interested in? Also, would you ever make videos with your cars? So, do you see yourself leaving electrical in the future? This is not really a secret, but I don't want to do electrical forever. But I basically plan on doing it until I retire, if that makes sense. So anyways, my plan is just to like do electrical until I can buy a house and pay it off. So hopefully that's like 7 years or less, and then maybe I'll still do electrical after that if I want to like buy stuff or like invest in like retirement stuff or other things like that. So at least 7 more years, I would say, 5 to 7 years. And what other careers are you interested in? Honestly, I just would like to make videos. If that could take off a little bit more before those 5 to 7 years, and like give me a little bit of a sustainable income. But anyways, I do like making videos, and I'm not sure what other actual jobs I would be interested in. But I definitely don't want to go back to school, so anything that has to do with school, not really. Would you ever make videos with your cars? And I do make videos with my cars, I just really don't do it that often. If you go to my channel page, and then there's a whole list of Corvette videos and stuff like that, taking people for rides and stuff like that, but you'll just have to browse the channel and see what you can find. So that was that question. That was basically only the one question on that video, and then this question doesn't really relate to the question answers. And then Lucky Charm says, have you ever had to hook up an inverter to a circuit of exit lights? And I said no. So I don't know if that was really more the question answer video or relating to the video, but I guess I'll just answer this one anyways. What does a live circuit mean? And that's basically just means that the power is on a circuit, or it's energized. So if you touch it, you'll probably get zapped and it'll hurt. So anyways, next video, so we're on to Wednesdays, and this is from Mr. Matt. Looks like you changed your name. And are you finding yourself pressed for time when working, or is it more of a relaxed pace for this job site? I'm not sure what you mean by pressed, but it is, I feel, just a more chill job site. Some of them job sites seem like you're always like rushing and stuff like that, so this is kind of nice, kind of can have some room to breathe, but it just seems like I don't get as much stuff done as I would like, because we only work 8 hours a day, and like 30 to 45 minutes of that is just like driving to the job site, and then like lunch is another 30 minutes. So by the time you like take all this stuff out and like get all the parts in, and like you're walking around and stuff a bunch trying to do stuff, you basically have like 5 to 6 hours a day to work, and it just seems like it's just not enough to get stuff done. So it always makes me feel kind of bad, like I'm not getting enough done in the day, but it's just like we're not actually working extremely long, so I kind of put that to blame for that. That's why. And then the last video, I thought we had a lot more questions, but I guess not. Unless this is just, I don't know, I thought there was a lot more questions. Let me check, but I thought there was like 10 questions on one video, but maybe not. unless I uploaded a video on Sunday, but I don't think so. So I guess there was really not that many comments. I guess I was tricked because when I respond to a comment, it basically counts it as a comment. So when I see 8 comments, I thought there was 8 questions, but I guess not. All right, so going back to yesterday's video, basically the only other question is from D Woods, and he says, I was thinking of going through the union. Do you think this is a good step? And as I'm not really familiar with the union, but as long as you can have steady work, I think it would be a really great option because they pay you a lot, and they have the like retirement like benefit package per hour. So if you can find steady work and like stay full time, I think that would be a really good idea and set you up for great success down the road. So you can always go non-union in the future, but if you can try to start out union and find a shop that likes you, then I think you'll be really set. And I don't know if I mentioned this on like last Friday, the question and answer video. I'm trying to see in these comments if this was part of the question and answer video, but I'm not sure. I'll just go ahead and answer. Anyways, Ruben Cortez says, wondering why you're letting your hair and your beard grow. Basically, I've always wanted to have long hair, just from like watching TV shows and stuff. So I figured why not try it. I've never had long hair, so just seeing how long I can get it. And I've had a beard for like the last, let's say like 5 to 7 years, but I'm not really letting it grow. I'm kind of trimming it up here and there, but I guess I'm sort of letting it grow, but it's always kind of this length, so that's that. And Austin Comer, what was your drive to become an electrician? And how does your salary compare to other trades? And I responded, I never really had a drive. I just didn't want to quit, and so I pushed through, and I was just mainly looking for work, and I kind of stumbled upon the electrical jobs or the electrical work, so that's how I kind of got into it. And then I did like it at first, and it's not like I hate it, and it's not like I'm in love with it, but it's just a job to me, and I do enjoy making videos probably more than actually doing the work. And I just really didn't want to quit when I was in school, and I wanted to have it as a backup option. Like if I ever wanted to do something else, I could always come back to electrical. So I didn't want to just quit halfway. I wanted to get my license and always have that to fall back on. And how does my salary compare to other trades? I really don't know the salary of other trades at all, so I couldn't really tell you. But I'd say it's probably about the same. But anyways. Mike says, could you make a video about different sides of being an electrician, different paths? I could. Seems like you already know the most of it, like you said, commercial, residential, industrial, service. I really don't, I'm not familiar with all the sides of electrical, but I can definitely try that in the future if I don't forget and have the time. And yeah, I think that is it. So one more from Chino. He says he's basically just asking, he's trying to find a job between residential and commercial. They pay about the same. Which company should I go? And I really didn't respond to that yet, but I would definitely say commercial is funner work, but I think starting out residential would help. But if you're doing like commercial residential, like apartments, and then that would be fine. Definitely do the commercial, just because it's funner and they're bigger projects. You get to stay on longer, and that means more work for longer and not having to bounce between job sites and stuff like that. So, anyways, I hopefully that answers your questions. I was hoping for 30, but I guess we got, I don't know, like maybe 10. So anyways, this is like 9 minutes already. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll definitely do another question and answer video soon, and hopefully I can do a like 30 things about me because I haven't got to that yet, but I'll try to jot things down throughout the if something comes to my mind that I want to tell you guys about me. So I'll start making a list about that, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. And as you can see, I'm not working today, and I'll be back on Sunday and back for work on Monday. And I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. It would help me out. And I will see you guys back here on Monday at the latest. And don't forget to check out the social medias in the description below if you want to follow along on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitch. Mainly just use Instagram. And if you want to be notified when I upload new videos, hit the notification bell. And that should do it, guys. And also for live streams. So, alright, guys, peace out. Have an awesome weekend. Stay safe. Peace.